In this video, I will show you example of Power BI for cost report. This report contains two pages. First page has a title, Level 2 Cost Report, some details of report, currency, contract name, etc. And under the title area, we can see the slicers, which are mainly presented by drop-down slicers. And at the bottom of page, we have budgets distributed by project and by project phase up to verb breakdown structure WBS elements. If we go to second page, makes analysis and compares original budget, approved budget, and final focus budget. Two visuals on this page has two axes. They are presented by scatter chart. This scatter chart is created to compare approved budget to original budget. Green area is good to have projects here. Yellow is somehow good, and red is when approved budget exceeds original budget in more than 1.5 times. If we take some project and select it on scatter chart, we will automatically see how all information in the table filtered to reflect specific projects and specific phases. For example, this one is estimate phase information, and to show original, approved, and final forecast values. If you scroll down the second scatter chart, which is very similar to what we had on previous chart, this chart shows us ratio final forecast to approved budget. We applied filters, therefore nothing is visible here. Let's remove filters and scroll down again. So here we see that green area again is from 202 to 1 08 to 1 is green area. Everything below 0.8 is yellow area, and everything that exceeds ratio equal to 1 is in red area. So it was short information about cost report created in Power BI. The model for this report is very simple. It contains several tables related to each other: project phases table, WBS elements table, and excluded project, which is not very important in this case. The main area that is important for us is project phases and WBS. So we have several tables which are linked in model in the way that you see on the screen. That's all for example of cost scatter chart and cost report. Thank you very much for watching.